आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello friends, as you can see we have got an MCQ type question here. In this question directions are given that in each of the question given below, three words are given in bold. So these three words may or may not be given in their correct position. The sentence is then followed by options with the correct combinations of words that should replace each other in order to make the sentence grammatically and contextually correct. Find the correct combination of words that replaces each other. If the sentence is correct as it is, select 5 as your option. So here we have gotten statement. In the statement there are some words which are incorrectly placed or their position is incorrect. What we have to do here is we have to match their codes and replace them with the exact appropriate words used. So we will see the question here is we will first mention the question. A Japanese Air Force officer and a US Air Force instructor. Our first word is crash, so we will mention here, we will mention this crash, were killed in a our second word is Saturday, so we will mention here Saturday. In Alabama, Japan's air self-defense force said on pilot. So our third word is pilot. So what we will do here is we have to mention the correct words. So we will see in the place of crash what sounds appropriate is pilot. So we will see here a Japanese Air Force officer and a US Air Force instructor pilot. We will write the full sentence. A Japanese Air Force officer and a US Air Force instructor pilot. So we are done with our word C, pilot, were killed in a crash. Our second word will be crash. We will mention here were killed in a crash. So here sets our second word. Next we will see we are mentioning the words in different colors, so it will be easy to distinguish them. In Alabama, Japan's air self-defense force said in this one will be said on Saturday. Saturday, that will be our third word. So we will mention here Saturday. So we will see the sequence. At first pilot is used, so we will mention C, and then second we saw crash. So crash is of A, and the last one is B, that is Saturday. So our required sequence will be CAB. So overall our right answer is option number C. Rest of the options are incorrect. So thank you guys.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।